In previous class, we have studied basic concept of cancer origination. In this class, we will study about anti-neoplastic agents. First question is, what are anti-neoplastic agents? These are the medication used for the treatment of cancer. Anti-neoplastic agents are also known as anti-cancer drugs. Here, classification of anti-neoplastic agents are given. We can divide these drugs in 5 classes as given in syllabus. First class is alkylating agent, second class is metal coordinated compound, third antimetabolites, fourth anti-cancer antibiotic, fifth hormone antagonist. Subclasses of alkylating agents are nitrogen mustard derivatives, alkyl sulfonates, aziridine derivatives, nitrosourea derivatives, mannitol derivatives, imidazole derivatives. Platinum coordinated compound have no subclass. Antimetabolite drug have subclasses: folate antagonist, pyrimidine antagonist, purine antagonist. In case of anti-cancer antibiotics, anthracycline and mitomycin are the subclasses. In case of hormone antagonist, only subclasses anti-estrogen. Now we will study the structure and basics one by one according to their class. First class is alkylating agents. First subclass is nitrogen mustard derivative. Mustin is the first drug which is come under nitrogen mustard. It was formerly used as war gas. The hydrochloride is used as antineoplastic in Hawking's disease, lung cancer and lymphoma. It caused severe GIT and bone marrow side effects. Here, one point I want to mention that almost all the drugs which come under antineoplastic agents have bone marrow suppression as major side effect. Second drug is cyclophosphamide. As we can see here, phosphate group is present, that's why name is cyclophosphamide. It works by slowing or stopping cell growth. That means it can delay the progression of cancer in body. It is used to treat lymphoma, leukemia, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, small cell lung cancer, neuroblastoma, and sarcoma. Next drug is chlorambucil. It is a chemotherapeutic medication used to treat chronic lymphocytic leukemia, Hodgkin's lymphoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Common side effects are bone marrow suppression. Next drug of alkylating agent is meflon. Structure is given here. It is a chemotherapeutic medication used for the treatment of multiple myeloma, ovarian cancer. Common side effect is as same, bone marrow suppression. Next subclass is alkyl sulfonates. In this subclass, bisulfan is the drug. The structure is given here. It works by slowing or stopping the growth of cancer cell in your body. Severe bone marrow suppression is again common side effect as I have mentioned earlier. Aziridine derivative. This is the thiatypa which come under aziridine derivative. This tricyclic ring is known as aziridine ring. That's why name of this subclass is given aziridine derivative. In this drug, it contains one phosphate group, 3 aziridine ring and 1 sulfur group. It is often given into bladder to treat bladder cancer. It is also given to patient to prevent rejection of stem cell transplant. That means it can be given to the patient who are undergoing for stem cell transplant treatment. Nitrosourea. In this class, lamostatin is the member of nitrosourea. We can see here this is the urea group on which different functional groups are attached. Lamostatin, it is highly lipid soluble drug and can pass triple B, that is blood-brain barrier. It is cell cycle phase non-specific. Lamostatin and its metabolite interfere with the function of DNA and RNA and slow down the progression of spread of cancer cell in normal cell. Mannitol derivative. Metobarnitol is the drug which contain two bromine at each end of mannitol and name is given metobarnitol. Imidazole derivative. Dicarbazine is the drug which come under imidazole derivative. It is a chemotherapeutic medication used in the treatment of myeloma and Hodgkin's lymphoma. Dicarbazine is cell cycle non-specific antineoplastic agent that function as an alkylating agent after activation in the liver. That means before pharmacological action, it get activated in liver. Platinum coordination compound. Cisplatin is the coordinate compound. It is among the most powerful chemotherapeutic drug widely used against cancer such as testicular cancer, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer, breast cancer, bladder cancer, head and neck cancer, etc. Platinum-based drugs have toxic side effects and tumor can become resistant to them. That means this drug should be used wisely whenever it is necessary. Antimetabolite anti-cancer drugs. As the name is anti-metabolite. That means these drugs interfere with metabolism of cancer cell. First subclass is folate antagonist. The drug name is methotrexate. The structure is given here. It is a folic acid antagonist. That means it interferes with folic acid utilization. It interferes with the intermediary metabolism of proliferating cells. It is a chemotherapeutic agent and also have immunosuppressant property. It is used to treat cancer, autoimmune disease, ectopic pregnancy, and for medical abortion. Here, one point that must be noted down, it is not the choice of drug for medical abortion because there are many other drugs available for abortion that produce very good effect compared to methotrexate. That's why it is not commonly used for the medical abortion. It is used for breast cancer, leukemia, lung cancer, lymphoma, and osteosarcoma. Pyrimidine antagonist. In this class, 5-fluorouracil is the drug. Structure is given here. It is used for colon cancer, esophageal cancer, stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, breast cancer, and cervical cancer. Next drug is starabine. It is a anti-neoplastic, anti-metabolite drug. It is used for the treatment of acute myeloid leukemia, acute lymphocytic leukemia, chronic myelogenous leukemia, and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Next subclass is purine antagonist. This is the journal structure, and in this subclass there are two drugs. 6-mercaptopurine if R position contains hydrogen. If this position contains NH2 group, then this drug becomes 6-thioguanine. 6-mercaptopurine is used as chemotherapeutic medication for cancer and anti-immune disease. It interferes with growth and spread of cancer cell in body. 6. Thioguanine. It is antineoplastic antimetabolite used in treatment of several forms of leukemia, including acute non-lymphocytic leukemia. Longer use of this drug is not recommended because of severe side effects produced in body, and this drug also have effect on normal cell. Pentostatin. The structure is given here. It is used in acute non-lymphocytic leukemia and hairy cell leukemia. Anti-cancer antibiotics. Anthracycline antibiotics. The drug in this subclass is doxorubicin. Structure is given here. It is used in acute leukemia, malignant lymphoma, and many solid tumor. Direct installation in bladder cancer is required. Mitomycin. Mitomycin C drug structure is given here. It is highly toxic, used only in resistant cancer of stomach, colon, and rectum. Hormone antagonist. Anti-estrogen drugs. Tamoxifen is the drug which is non-steroidal anti-estrogen drug. It is used as standard hormonal therapy in breast cancer.